Hello everyone, welcome back to today's smart question. Have you ever shared or maybe gotten SME data and noticed that it seems to run out much faster than a regular data plan? Or wondered why the same quantity of SME data just does not go as far as the regular data plan? So today we're going into the reasons behind that, and trust me, it's not just about the numbers, it's more than the numbers. Okay, so first things first, what exactly is SME data in case you don't know about that? Now, SME stands for Small and Medium Enterprises. These data bundles are actually designed for businesses that need internet access for multiple people or devices. They are usually cheaper per gigabyte than regular data. And it allows small businesses to share data at a lower cost rather than getting personal data for each of their employees. So regular data, on the other hand, is intended for individual users, typically for use on one device, and it's usually priced higher, but often comes with some extra features like personalization and certain features that SME data doesn't offer. So SME data was introduced to support small businesses with affordable data options. Imagine needing data for a team of employees. So like I said, instead of buying individual plans for each person, the business can just buy SME data in bulk and then share it to actually save money. Okay, now let's now go to the real question. So why does it run out faster? Okay, so let's break it down. First is that SME data is actually often metered at higher rates than regular data. Now you just think of it. Now with personal data, you get 1 gig around 1000 to 1002. That's a 30-day expiry. But when it comes to SME data, you get 1 gig at around 300, say 4 to 400, between 300 and 400. It cannot actually be the same. Now it's just like your tariff, your call tariff, and the rate at which is deducted when you make calls are actually different because it depends on the plan that you are on. So while you might have 100 naira of airtime and another person have 100 naira of airtime, it depends on the tariff plan you are on and the number you are actually calling. That determines how much that 100 naira will actually lasts, even though it's the same value. And that's why I said it is more than just the number. Okay, so it depends on the plan you are on. So it balances out, even though it's the same 1 gig, but the metering is different. How it is measured is actually different. Okay, so I'm going to show us that on your phone. You see that when you go to where your data is being measured on your phone, you actually see that uh, your internet provider measures your data usage differently. That's to show you that they are on different kinds of metering based on the plan that you are actually using. So some other that's actually the main reason why that is. But there are some other reasons why it might also run out faster. Next is one that is that regular data plans they come with data saving features. It compresses videos and throttle the content, which help reduce data consumption. While SME data plans don't always include this optimization, so they burn through data faster. Um, the next one is actually because there's less control over data usage. Personal data plans usually offer more control over how your data is being used. So SME is designed to be reliable, so it means that it's faster. There's no restriction on the bandwidth. Since they are meant to be reliable and used for office related tasks, so they don't offer features like compression or saving the data optimization. So it means that when it comes to SME, the background data are not actually limited. Even as long as your data is on, background data is being used. So if you want to last longer, Make sure that you remove apps that use background data, and then make sure your data saver is also on. But when you're using personal data, there's a limit to how much background data can be used when you're using direct and personal data. But on SME, it's not limited, so it means those process gets to run in the background, consuming more of your data. Okay, finally, the type of activities that use SME data are often different. It's frequently used for business related tasks like file sharing, video calls. We can all consume a lot more data than regular browsing or social media. That's why you see that they don't offer video compression or content dropping, because they believe that it's being used by businesses and they don't want such features. Okay, but the main reason, as I've said earlier, is that what they are actually on different metering. So even though you have the same 1 gig of SME data and the same 1 gig of personal regular data, they are actually different. It's more than the numbers. And just assume. So the price, the metering balance out the lower prices. So there you have it. Even though SME data can be a great option for if you're looking to save money, you don't have enough money, but you should know that it will actually run out faster than regular data due to these factors that I've mentioned earlier. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights like this. If you have a friend or colleague who has such question, can benefit from knowing why the data runs out so quickly, share this video with them. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.